Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we have a very special cabinet. I have already unboxed a dress box of this on the channel before, but as you know, I always find that cabinets are much better for aging cigars, and in general I like the look of a cabinet much more. Now these are the Bolivar Belicosos Finos, probably my favorite cigar in this vitola. These cigars are 5.5 inches in length by 52 ring gauge, and in true Bolivar fashion, these are full body cigars. And as you can see, this box is from November 2024, so at the time of filming this video they have almost a year on them. And this is a cabinet of 25 cigars. Let's open them up and show you how they are. You got this piece of cedar wood, got a little Boveda bag, and there you have them. Beautiful cigars. Let's take one out, show you what they are like. Now people always ask me what's the difference between a dress box and a cabinet. Well, besides for the fact that it's nicer, there is a actual physical difference. The cigars from a cabinet are always round, whereas the cigars from a dress box tend to be box pressed in order to fit in a dress box, and therefore smoking these is much easier to hold on to because they're round, whereas a square are a bit more, I find them a bit similar to New World style, where it's box pressed. And in general, these last, I think, age better, because they are all cigars are one on top of another, and they get the aromas from one another, and the oils stick together, and there's no plastics on the side. Whereas the dress boxes is literally you have the one on top of you, the one next to you. That's it. And so I don't find them that as good. And as a whole, these are more valuable. These are actually more expensive usually. I bought these at a very, very good price. I paid £470 for this cabinet, and I still have a few singles left from my other dress box, so I'll be smoking them and leaving this for at least another six to 8 months for them to develop a bit more, and so that I can smoke them. Now, I've spoken to quite a lot of cigar experts who have always told me that Bolivars as a whole, they don't have a very long aging process. After 4 to 5 years, they've reached the peak of their aging, and then they're ready. To be smoked. And if you leave them for longer, you're not doing yourself any favors, because it will just stay as is, and actually some of them, in some cases, lose the oils and become less good. They reduce in quality. So I won't be leaving these for too long, but then again, I also don't want to rush into smoking these, and I want to have them when they are ready. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.